Hi, I'm Charles Lewton-Brain, and we're here at the Ganoksin Studios in Boston, Massachusetts. And we're going to talk about a technique called paper dye. Now, paper dye is a kind of roller printing, and many people know all about roller printing. With roller printing, you take a material such as lacy curtains or paper texture or feathers or something like this, and you roll it into metal to create an indentation, a dent, a pattern, a texture. I am deliberately running this off the die. Tighten this, and what I'm interested in is I'm interested in having enough pressure that when I cut it, that when I print it, it cuts the metal, the paper. There we go. And so, a couple of things happening here. First of all, that was fast. Secondly, because we let the metal create the curves and create the bending, the quality of the curve we've got is prettier than the quality we could get from me trying to do that shape with a X-Acto knife or something. That's right. Lovely. And so what we have here is the cut widened during the rolling, and so we have a lovely print like this.